To enable and use double tap spacebar to add period feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management and then tap Samsung keyboard setting. Under smart typing section, tap more typing option and then tap the gray on offset next to double tap spacebar to add period until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To use this feature, open an app where you can type with your keyboard, like when you are writing a note. Now type a sentence and then double tap the spacebar to automatically add period. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.